guess what? You're probably losing 30% of your Amazon ad budget and you don't even know it. Hi, my name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society. We're a certified Amazon service provider and an Amazon ads agency based in Dubai and supporting sellers on Amazon in the Middle East. I'm an Amazon ads educator. This video is in collaboration with Amazon Ads. In today's video, I'm going to be going through the top mistakes that you might be making right now on your Amazon ad campaigns. This is going to be a quick-paced video. Let's get to work. If you are an Amazon seller in the UAE and KSA and you're literally feeling like you're throwing money at Amazon through ads, just hoping to get some sales and hoping to get better results on Amazon, well, listen up, because this is actually mistake number one: no clear campaign goals. Just like in life, Amazon ads mimics everything we do in life and specifically in business. Each and every campaign that you create needs to have a specific goal. Imagine walking out of your house with no real objective of where you want to go, just wandering around in the streets. It might be fun, but it might be a little bit crazy at the same time. So when you do create an Amazon ad campaign, you need to have a clear objective of what you intend to do with that particular campaign. Let's get started with why it's a mistake not to have clear goals. Well, if you don't have goals, then you can't measure your success and you don't know what strategies are working and what strategies are not working. Now, you might be thinking, Crystal, yeah, my goal is to get more sales. Great, that's still a goal, but you have to have a certain measurable goal in place so that you can figure out whether or not you are on the right track of that particular, objective. So how to avoid this mistake? Well, set up objectives and goals that are time-bound, measurable, and achievable. So, your goals need to be a little bit logical, of course. For example, this campaign is supposed to increase sales for a particular ASIN by 25% in the next 30 days. Or this campaign is supposed to get me ranked in the top 5 keywords in the next 2 weeks. Clear goals result in smarter campaign planning and faster improvements. Mistake number 2, ignoring match types. This is a really basic mistake that I know a lot of sellers make. A lot of sellers treat every single keyword match type, whether it's a broad keyword or an exact keyword, the same exact way. This is a very wrong simplification of how keywords work. Why is this a mistake? Different match types affect how our ads are displayed on Amazon and who will ultimately see the ad. An inappropriate use or the wrong use of them might result in the wrong traffic seeing your ads and just you wasting money on ads, which is definitely not something that you want to do. How to avoid this? Specifically, when you are creating manual campaigns, understand that each match type for a keyword needs to be specifically targeted. Not all match types should be in the same campaign. But let's understand a little bit more these match types. So when we're talking about an exact keyword or an exact match, this has high control. This is a very highly relevant keyword, straight to the point. This is exactly what people are going to be using to directly find your product. Whereas phrase match has more reach, but is still very relevant to your product. This is where we talk about long tail keywords and people utilizing long tail keywords that are looking for your product. Whereas broad match is a very broad keyword where people are looking for something within your category but not necessarily your product. Example, exact match would be flower vase. Phrase match would be flower vase with country decor or something like that. And broad match would be home decor. So general, still important for your products to be displayed under that keyword, but it's very general and not highly likely to get you direct sales. So as you can see, all of those keywords are very, very different and you want to treat them appropriately. Before we move on to mistake number 3, if this is your first time watching a video on the channel, we create content every single week all about selling on Amazon. Click the subscribe button so you never miss another video. Like this video and leave me your comments or questions so I know what type of content you are looking for. And if you're looking for help and support and you want to work with a certified Amazon partner, then myself and the team are very happy and ready to assist you. You'll find all of our details on our website. That's the only way that you can contact us, so be careful. www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find the link in the description box of this video. On the website, if you're interested in our programs, you can also book a call with myself and the team where we can discuss how we can help and support you further. Mistake number 3, running ads with unoptimized listings. Trust me, this is a very, very, very basic mistake, but a lot of sellers tend to make this type of mistake. So there is no solution to a bad product, or in this case, a bad listing. No keyword strategy, no ad strategy can help you sell a product with an unoptimized page. What does it mean, an unoptimized page, if you're wondering? Well, it means a page that doesn't have all of the information relevant for the customer to feel confident in purchasing your product. So think about all of your images, think about all of your information that you are providing customers. If you think a customer is willing to buy your product if you just provide them 1 or 2 images, this is a mistake. Or if you have absolutely 0 reviews, or if you've just provided a little bit of information about the product. That's not going to work, because a customer needs to feel confident in purchasing your product. They need to feel like if they buy from you, they're going to get a really high quality product. And you can only give them that confidence by providing as much information and as much knowledge as possible. So why is this a mistake? Because clicks on Amazon when you're advertising, they cost you money. So if you're sending someone to a page, someone sees your ad, fantastic, they click on your product, you've paid for that click, and now they log into your product page. If you haven't optimized your product page, so conversions are going to be low, so you're going to feel that you're just spending money on ads without generating any sales. At this point, you're thinking maybe there's no demand for the product. If there wasn't demand for the product, you wouldn't be getting any clicks, because people wouldn't be finding your product since there's no demand. No, what's happening here, the mistake is that you are sending them to a page that doesn't give them confidence to purchase. How to avoid this mistake? Simply just optimize your product page. Make sure that you have the high quality keywords in your title and your bullet points, and make sure in your title, bullet points, and product description, you provide the information and the confirmation for a customer to feel that they're getting an awesome product, which I'm sure they will be. Number 2, use professional and zoomable images. According to data, almost 60% of customers that purchase products on Amazon do that through a mobile phone. So you need to make sure that the images, when they are zoomed, are not pixelated. You need to also try to get as many authentic reviews as possible, because 7 out of 10 customers that visit your page are unwilling to purchase your product if you don't have reviews. And finally, be competitive in your pricing. Of course, Amazon and Amazon customers, rather, when they log into the platform, are looking at multiple different selling prices. So they do want to have like a balance between a really good quality product at a logical price. It doesn't mean that you have to be the cheapest. These are 3 very simple mistakes that you can correct right now. Make sure that you let me know in the comments if you are making any of those mistakes, or if you have other suggestions for different type of mistakes. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.